Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified to target professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert. So recently, I started a questionnaire on my Facebook profile regarding, your questions for related to Facebook and Google Ads for 2024, and I will be lovely. I will be able to answer them, through my. I will try to answer them through my video series. So here was a, post on my Facebook profile, and here is a question which I'm going to answer right now. And what should be the Google strategy for new startup who want to sell their $5 books and subscriptions dollar I mean their the $5 book subscriptions. Okay, so for anyone who is going to who's a new startup and who want to sell their $5 book subscription, so the first thing which I is gonna look is I'm gonna identify my competitors. Okay, so who are my competitors, what product, what price range they are working on, what is their USP. Okay, if they are successful, they are for a reason, so I need to figure out the reason which is why they are successful, and I'm going to discuss. I will work on that as well. And you can consider this one as well, my first or second point, and that is to identify my location or my target location. Okay, target location is very important. I may work on my demographics as well to look around the people, the trend of the people, either the people work on buying subscriptions of book over there or not, what is the trend over there, and why people will buy it. So I mean the third is going to be why you. Okay, so I mean these are the few three things which I'm going to start on, but I also may need to look on my competition. Okay, what is my competition? So there are, I mean, so many things, and then the huge thing is my landing page experience. Okay, my landing page experience is has a very big value. Why? Because that is how I'm going to sell to my user. And to optimize my landing page experience, I need to again look around on my competitors. I mean, look around my location, highly customized landing page. And even then, $5 is a very small product to work on, but however I can make it profitable by, because it's a recurring based product. So later on I may have to invest in for a few months in a start, but I can make it profitable after a few months. So I need to have a few months strategy to make it profitable. Few months strategy. Okay, because no, it's not going to work on the first day. And ideally, if I am able to get my cost per lead at $5, then even then it's good, because I'm going to make money in the second one. And if the competition is high, I can move it to $10, because I'm going to make it money from the third month onwards, because it's for $5 is each month cost, and after 2 months it's going to cover my original cost. So I need to work around on this model before making a strategy. So what I'm going to do for identifying my competitors is I'm going to use few tools. For instance, SEMrush is a very common tool which people use to identify the competitors, what they are doing. I may even do manual searches on Google, so to figure out what my competitors are basically doing on, and how they are successful. And that is my turning edge over here. And then I may also work around on optimizing my ads, my quality score, but that's is going to take a lot of stuff, and I do not know much about your startup. But these are the few of the things. And analytics and tracking is the key over here. But again, I do suggest you to increase your subscription price to something $10 or more. Okay, there is another thing as well which I wanted to tell people, is that apart from advertising, you have to make something viral, so that people also promoting your product or service, so that can help you. Yeah, Google Ads can be very good source of traffic acquisition, and I have seen cases where you get the buying gold traffic from Google Ads. But even then, in buying traffic, you may have to see your cost as well. For instance, $5 is a very little budget for targeting first tier countries, and if you target on third tier countries, $5 can be a reasonable budget. But again, the buying power is going to be low on the third tier countries, and that is why your cost for the starting months is going to be very high. But all in all, can be managed through optimized landing page, working on your competitors, working on your campaign strategy, working on your exact location strategy, working on your why you, I mean, why people is gonna buy, what kind of a book you're to actually people need it or not. So that is also, another aspect as well. And you can also use free strategy as well, like you can also start your free email list and can get people convert later on. You can create social media pages, uh, like Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and YouTube definitely. Where YouTube you can post on tutorials on how that product or service which you are selling is helping people, case studies, and that is, is going to be more inspiring and people can get convert later on. Okay, there is another thing which I'm going to tell you is that it takes multiple hit to convert the visitor. Most often what people do is, people once hit a user, and if they do not get converted, they try to target another user. But my theory is that, if a user has seen your product or service and have spent a time on a product or service, then it means that he is a little bit convinced and he may need more convincing. So rather taking a new user and convincing it, why don't we focus on that user who has already know about you and has a little bit minds about you and needs a little more convincing before getting a selling or a buying shot. So my strategy is to work on that as well. So this is my strategy. I hope you like it and I hope this answers your question. Yeah, I if I got more information, I could definitely help more. So yeah, this answers. And in case if you have still any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. In case if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO, or web development services, you can hire me in my team. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started working with us. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.